Is the like video about the bug with Antaerus Ward and the truck cannon. See, nothing happened. What the shit? Okay.
It's time, Guardian.
Grizzly, where are you? Right or left?
Yeah, I'm coming back
Yeah,
over
okay.
here.
What the shit? Well, I don't know how this bug exactly works, but sometimes you just obviously don't do any damage. I think it's maybe if you are like far with from the enemy, you like slide. See, nothing happened. And when I slide like really too close range, so that the shield is actually before me and the enemy is between my legs and gun, like this, it actually kills him even when I have shield before my legs. So apparently the tractor cannon shot just don't go through the shield, and I don't think it's intended to do it like this. Let's try again. See, nothing happens, and when I slide really close, it kills him.
Yeah. Once the shield